Hello friends, today I will show how to make the Google Wallet working on a rooted Android 16 device with custom ROMs. In this example I am using OnePlus 16 that uses 5.4 kernel. That's why it does not support KSU Next's latest versions like 5.10 or 6 kernel versions. So to get it, I'm using CRDroid ROM which natively supports kernel SU 1.1.1, so you don't have to install or patch your boot image. So I highly recommend either CRDroid or a ROM that uses the similar kernel. Okay, so the first thing you have to do is check in the CRDroid website. They give the 1.1.1 link of kernel SU. After installing it, you can check how everything is looking, but for that at first it will not show the K-probes or magic mount. This is the most important, the magic mount option. The magic mount option here, it's the most important. So the first thing you do is make the settings like this. This is what worked for me. You unmount the modules, you disable SU compatibility, and you enable the hide K-probes hook. Okay, after doing this, if it does not change immediately, just do a restart. Like you can see the power button right here. You can restart it right from right here in custom ROMs. You don't have to go very far. So once you have the hook modules and mounted everything, I'll give the links to the necessary modules that you have to install for the play integrity fix. I know that CRDroid and ROMs like Evolution X gives you all the tricks like how to do play integrity fix, keybox installation module, but these things does not work. Those things at least did not work for me. Okay, now you have to have these three things: the play integrity fork, tricky store version 16 or more, tricky store, and then Zygix next. So these are the three, sorry. And how do you install it? You go to GitHub, you download the latest version, and then you click install and flash it. So after every installation, you just restart the device, reboot the device. It will ask for you reboot, so you reboot the device every time. So once you have these three inputs, what do? What you do is pretty simple. So at first you do play integrity fork. If you click on it, like right here, then you will see the action button. Clicking action button, it will do something. I recommend reboot again. It doesn't hurt to reboot. So after rebooting, come to this way. Click on the tricky store, and you will see the open button instead of an action. Once you click open, okay then. So after rebooting, you go to Google Alert, and it should work as intended. Hopefully it works for you too. Thank you everyone, and don't forget to subscribe and let me know if it worked for you.